is how to do finger coils on some short natural hair. So let's just jump right into this video. So the first thing that you want to do, you want to just go grab a towel so you can put it around your neck, because you're going to be spritzing your hair with a lot of water, because you got to have hydrated hair to achieve this style. So yeah, that's all I'm doing right there. And then I'm just going to grab some Cantu leave-in conditioner, and I will leave everything in the description as well so you can see all the products that I'm using. And I'm just applying that to my hair right there, grabbing some clamps and clipping that hair out the way so I can better work with the section that I'm using. I'm using some Eco Styler gel as well, and I'm just going to apply that to the hair, and you can see like some curls beginning to form. So after you apply the gel, you just want to get a comb and detangle the section that you're working with as well, like I'm doing right here. Now you want to just grab smaller pieces of hair, because you're going to grab that and you're just going to twist your finger around and around and around. And you want to start like at the base of the hair first, and you just get that perfect spring coil. And I'm just going to repeat this a few times, and I'll just let you watch that. And after I get done with that, I will show you how the back is looking. And then we'll just move on to the sides of the head and the front of the head. And I will be showing you different parts throughout this tutorial.